Our mission has changed over the last few years because I became a mom. Now we're really focused in on the families of the community and taking some things off the plates for the busy parents and also providing exceptional jobs for the people of the community. In the past year, we grew about 33%, putting a major focus on the hiring aspect and the training of our field techs. So really focusing on the employee journey, I think, is going to be where we see the most return on investment and the most pride. We try to get involved with as many nonprofits as we can. We're partnering with Cleaning for a Reason, which is a national organization, a nonprofit. People who are actively going through chemotherapy treatment, we will come in and we will clean their homes free of charge. The Best of the Best Mohawk Valley is the award that we won in 2024 for the best cleaning service, and it gives people the trust that they need to allow us to go into their home, and we really up-leveled the professionalism associated with the cleaning industry.